What I'm talking about here, pepper sauce, is skincare. I own a skin line, Young and Aging Skin, for the past 7 years. Y'all know Dr. B, Queens, New York, med spa owner. And I do a lot of skincare. Skin for look good. If my skin never look good, y'all wouldn't come. Cause y'all go say, oh, she own a med spa, look at her skin. I believe in natural ingredients. I'm not into skin bleaching. Y'all know that. I talk about that every day. So this is a facial neck mask that you can use 1 to 3 times a week to deep clean, exfoliate after you wash your face. So it's a paste mask that's sticky. See that? This jar could last you 6 to 9 months. It's $45 here on TikTok Shop. Free shipping in the USA. I sell it in my office, and what it is, it's a turmeric brightening paste. It's a professional grade treatment that helps to revitalize, brighten, promote skin cell renewal, minimizing pore size and leaving a glowing complexion. It self-heats gently by allowing the pores to open while minerals and clay cleanse. Now let's run through the ingredients. So zeolite, perlite, niacinamide, turmeric root extract and turmeric powder, sandalwood, pumpkin, papaya, apple, jasmine, apple, lavender, what else? Green tea, raspberry leaf, vanilla is in here. I mentioned papaya, melon, the fruit melon, and the flower lang lang, Y-L-A-N-G, Y-L-A-N-G.